what's wonderful about doing these videos on these words is it allows me to reinforce so much research that's gone on over the years and then be able to share it with everybody. And what we're dealing with here is the simplicity of what's really going on these words and what you're doing in the legal system if you're a participant. I think the biggest problem is there's a lot of arrogance out there from people who are just foolish in their determinations on things because they don't want to realize that they're not going to win in that legal by being a legal participant. They're trying so hard to believe that you could never steal their labor from them, and therefore they're going to chase that pot of gold that involves them taking on a tag that isn't theirs and then trying to somehow click in or tap into everything that was used in their labor. We have to remember, we render to Caesar what is Caesar's. We don't render to Caesar what is God's. So if you're confused between what is God and what is Caesar, that could be your biggest problem right now. So when we look at the word capitation, it leads to the words poll tax, head tax, which of course is used within the system of trafficking in Caesar's legal title surname that you use based on consent to be a participant, and therefore it's also used in your passport. We're going to read capitation in Samuel Johnson's dictionary 1755, and it states numeration by heads, taxation on each individual. So if you were individually using Caesar's assigned legal title for commerce, they have a head tax. And if you try to take it over, well, and symbolically you're being beheaded for treason, but in the same sense, they show and bear your head on those documents such as driver's license and passport. Be careful if you're trying to be head of something that you're not the head of.